This is the 1911. It was designed by John Moses Browning and was used until 1986, and over 2.7 million of these were made. And this is model 2130, and today I'll be taking it apart and putting it back together, how to clean it. Alright. So the first thing you always want to do is to make sure that your gun is unloaded. So first, take out the magazine. Second, rock back your slide and make sure that there are no bullets inside the chamber so you don't hurt yourself while you were cleaning it. Then you want to take apart your slide stopper, which is this thing right here. On the other side, it's this little button. So you pull the slide back until you get to the first groove. On the other side, push this in. It should pull out. Place that aside. Now you work your way to the front of the gun. Push this piece down and move this slide to the side. This will come up because it is the spring that is it's the recoil spring of the gun. Move this back over and it should have a groove that will slide out. Rock the gun all the way back, then forward, and it should come right off the rails. Then take your spring out. Take apart this doohickey that holds the spring in place. And you take out the barrel from the receiver. Here's taking it apart. Put it back together now. Put the bolt back through this right here. Then put I don't remember what this is called, but put this back in the spring. Put the spring back through this hole right here. Make sure that the U right here is facing down on the barrel, that this piece is put back. Alright, now you put the receiver, this piece, back on the main part, I guess. I don't know. Right here there should be some grooves that fit back on here. Make sure your spring is nice and secure. And now you put your slide stopper back in. Make sure that it goes all the way through, and again locks up with that first part. Should click. It'll look all the way through on the other side. Alright, forward. Put this front piece back on. Should go downward. Flip it over to the other side. This piece back on. Press the spring down back into the gun. Should click as this piece goes over the ring. Put your magazine back in. Alright, that's it.